Hi, this is Kathy Keener. I just wanted to show you today what we call assign location. What it means is that you can assign a coordinate axis location for just about any component. Here we're going to have several systems. Some of them are interconnected, as you can see, as they drop into the main header. And so what I did to start these systems is assign a location. It's very, very simple. You just click assign location and put it wherever you want. Okay, and there's I did that on all three of the pipes going into the main header. And now, certainly because we offer several or as many as you want assigned locations, you can work yourself into a fix. If you assign 2 locations and you try to change a component length, for instance, in between the 2 locations, then TRIFLEX will give you an error. And we're gonna see one of those errors right now. Now, what I needed to do was cut about 30 feet out of these sections here. I've already done the other ones. In TRIFLEX, you can tell it to reconnect, so you wouldn't really have any need to do what I'm showing right here. It would actually reconnect for you as long as your anchors were free. Okay, as far as a coordinate axis. Okay. Now this one, because I cut it up there and I didn't say reconnect or anything, I cut all of them like that. If you press assign location and just click the check mark from node on an anchor, right, it'll assign that location to that coordinate axis, and it tells you that it is. You can see that it has a coloration to it that's different than the normal anchor. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to go up to these 2 pipes and reconnect them, and we're going to get an error, a geometry error. Notice right now in the lower right hand corner we have OK. It's checking the geometry in real time. So let's take a look at this one. This was considering the modeling direction. My node that I want to connect to is 141. So I'm going to open up this component and put from node 141. Okay, press OK, and then I'm going to get a geometry error in the lower right hand corner as soon as I do that, because it's checking geometry in real time. And this error is pretty easy to see, right? I've moved something without moving my anchor or allowing my anchor to move. So simple fix. I'm just going to open up my anchor, go to assign location, and uncheck that location. Press OK and press OK. And so that's how one might use multiple fixed locations in a system, and have multiple systems in one model, which can come in handy for sure. And again, you can work yourself into some trouble, but we have the coloration. We also have error warning detail, and you can see that we have trees starting different systems. Okay, one of these has a double connection, so it's not going to be considered as a separate tree, but you can see the trees, and it's just giving a warning. It's not an error. It'll let you run. It's just telling you that I have something that's over by itself. Okay, thanks.